Hi everyone, if you're looking down and your heart's feeling empty, come have a laugh with us. I'm Shadow Soul 720. So I look pretty scrubby right now. Because I just woke up. But if we go through here, you'll find someone pretty amazing who wants to meet all you guys. You ready? Look, it's Molly. That's a really bad angle to start with. But do you see her now? I don't know, but she's about to come out of the cage. You want to play, Molly? You want to come out? Ready? Set. Let me use two hands. Ah, look. This is Molly. Ah. So this is Molly. She's a cute little pup. Except I should probably give her one of the toys. Sorry about the camera angle right now. It looks really bad. I know. Look, here's a toy. This is a bad light. This is also sort of bad. Wait, no biting. Oh, hello. No. Wait, no. No biting. You can bite your toy instead. Again, I apologise for the camera. They're really bad angles right now, but the lighting isn't helping either. She's a bit of a biter at the moment. She's near 10 weeks? Oh, no, that's completely off. Maybe 8, 9. Anyway, I gotta like train her right now maybe a little bit. Cause she's stop biting. She's gotta learn to stop. Bye guys. I don't know if that's gonna be a good angle for you guys, but she's a little more chilled right now. She sees you guys. She's like, what's that? Who are they? Oh. She's interested now. She's probably gonna jump for you guys. I know, she's found to her little box. Here, toy. Play. Grrr. Grrr. She's so silly. How about that for a camera angle? It's pretty silly. I like it though. Now she's too tall. Oh no, Molly, you're too tall. Now the other end. Other end. Grrr. Grrr. Play. Play with the toy. Grrr. You're so good at this. She is a pointer cross Springer Spaniel. Yep. In other words, she's a dog. She's a dog. She's a dog. She's a dog. Dog. In other words, she's a dog.
Gotten out of control.
Yeah. Cody's dog. If you guys haven't seen Cody, he released a new EP on SoundCloud. Yep. It's also on Bandcamp. You can buy it. It's only $5. Comes with 5 tracks. And Feelings is probably my favourite song from it. Ow. No! I can't do this with one hand. What? What are you doing? Hey guys, I'll show you another cool thing. Don't you bite my butt? Come on. Good girl. Lounging, yeah. The lighting's pretty nice in here. She sees my socks. Where is that bottle? Bottle. Oh, hey, you're not supposed to be in here. Come on, Molly. Come on. No, we're not playing. No. No. There's Molly. Look how small she is. Don't you copy me in the future though. Sorry, that's the door closing. Do you want this thing? Molly, here. No? The floor. We're trying to teach her to sit and stay and things. She's got what she wants. I want to teach her to ring that bell when she needs to go to the bathroom. She's going to the door at least when she needs to go to pee. Or whatever. Remember this? There's a ball at the very front. And as you might be able to tell, she likes playing with that too. There's one there-ish. Used to be the cat's play thing, but now it's a little bit oldish. There's a door there. I think you know that too. You can't carry it everywhere with you. Wait, bite the thing. Can you guys see her? Whoops. She's funny. She was trying to carry this whole thing the other day. But she didn't do too well. She fell on her face trying to carry it. It was a loud phone call. I better hold back. Hello? Hello? Say bye, Molly. Say bye. Ooh, you hit your head. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.
Very nice. Shadow Soul 720.